Buonasera to our techie friends in Italy and hello to everyone. This is our next tutorial in our series on web scraping using Python. I am Scrappy and this is World Web Scraping. There we go! Hello and welcome back to World Web Scraping. This is our next tutorial in our series of web scraping using Python. Today we will talk about how to create your Twitter API keys and secret keys and access tokens. This is necessary because Twitter does not have an open API key or public API key. You need to have a Twitter account and Twitter developer account specifically to access the Twitter data using. So let's get started to create a Twitter API key. You have to create a Twitter application, and to do that you need to have a Twitter account, and if you don't have a Twitter account then create Twitter's developers account, and then you have to create a new application there, and then you can have all the keys that you need. So to do that, just go to this website and log in and start creating the account. I will show you a live demo here. So this account I have specifically created for this demo here. So what we will do, take care guys, this is not a developer account yet. Alright, so to do that I have followed that link and then I come here developer.twitter.com/app. So here I will click on create an app, and so what Twitter says, please apply for a Twitter developer account, or click apply, and your Twitter will show you all the options or whatever suits your requirements. You can choose that option here. I have chosen to do individual research because I just need to show this to you, and then these are the details you have to fill in. I have already filled those in, and you fill all of these and click on the next. Then it will show you this again, take you to another page where you have to fill on all the data. So you will fill that, and here you see these things. Are you planning to analyze Twitter data? Will your app use tweet, retweet, like, follow, or direct messages and functionality? So this all I have said no, but you can set it to mark it to yes, and then it will ask you to fill some more data and some more information that you have to put. So I have marked it for no for now, and I'll go next, and it looks good. And then what I will click, I'll click on alright, looks good, and review and accept and submit an application. So we have to confirm the email, and I will confirm that email. All right. I have verified the email they send to confirm your developer account. It will show you all of this, but I don't have to worry about it. What do you have to do is to go, to create an app. So let's find that out. What I will do, I will follow that link once more. Okay. Okay, guys. So go on and create an app and put any name, whatever you like. I'll put some like tutorial, and this is again, you have to fill all of this information. What I'm doing is I'm just copying something, and we have to write some 200 words here. And so I'll put some random information here, website URL, just put anything that you want, because we don't have actually inside a requirement, but what they ask for is this website URL will be used to self attribution for tweets created by your app and something. So just put tut.co.ed something, enable sign in with Twitter. Now that we don't need actually, because we are not creating an app, we are just accessing the APIs, and this all you don't need to fill, and tell us how this app will be used, and minimum character 100. So I'm just putting create tutorials. Alright, and then I have got this application created. Okay guys, then I have to check for keys and tokens, and go here, and here you will have your API key, or if a token API secret key. And now to the access token and access token secret, you have to click on this. And after creating all this application and creating you to access token for authentication, you need to store your API key safely. And to do that, what you have to do is you have to open a notepad. In that notepad, you just copy this detail, and you write all of this in your notepad. That I have written here are just like square brackets and Twitter, that will create a section for Twitter. They will tell your application that this is for Twitter, and then write access token, and write your copy or access token right here, then access token secrets, and write that out, and then your API key. You write all of this, and then you go to file and save it. And I will save it as Twitter answering it on desktop, and I'm saying it as twitter.properties. You can name it anything. I'm just writing properties because it contains my properties of Twitter API. You can name it anything, not recommended to write it like that. So that's what I did, and now it is safe. Why this we need to store this way? Because like if you are sharing the documents which you used to extract the data from Twitter, and if you are sharing it with somebody, you don't want to show them your keys, and you should never show them your keys. So for that reason, you should save it like that, and that way the keys will not be visible to that person, and he can still see all the content. So it's for that reason, guys. So you should always save your keys like that. So that's all for today. We have created our API keys, and then our next tutorial we will start scraping data from Twitter using their APIs. So that is all for today, my techie friends. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video tutorial, and do not stop visiting our website. Leave your comments below and ask me any question you have. I will be happy to answer them. Link is given in description of this video to get code and full material. Stay happy, stay safe, stay touchy.